My name is Vanessa Marinosci. I'm a materials engineer and PhD student here at the TPRC. My research is on metal thermoplastic composite hybrid joints with a focus on the interface. Currently, the standard joining techniques imply the use of mechanical fasteners or structural adhesives. But when using thermoplastic composites, we can think of a third joining technique, which we call the co-consolidation. With this technology, we can join directly thermoplastic composite to metals during a standard composite consolidation or forming process, because at high temperature, the thermoplastic matrix melts and acts as an adhesive to the metal. An example of a final product that we can obtain is a fiber metal laminate, in which, as you can see, layers of metal are alternated to layers of composite, resulting in a material with superior properties, such as high environmental and high impact resistance. Or another example can be a hybrid structure like this, in which a metal insert is already integrated into our composite structure. Therefore, this co-consolidation technology can potentially replace standard joining techniques, which are typically time and cost-consuming. To make this co-consolidation a reliable technology, the key, but at the same time the challenge, is to have a proper understanding of the interface. Here at the TPRC, in order to tackle this objective, we are sharing our expertise with the expertise at the University of Twente. In this project, I collaborate together with Giorgos, another PhD student, in order to approach this interface in a multidisciplinary way.
In the metal surface preparation, prior to the joining process, we form thin films inspired by nature and more particularly sea organisms such as mussels that are able to strongly bind on any surface even at harsh conditions. By incorporating different molecules in these nanolayers, we can tune their chemistry and result in stronger and more durable interfaces. By optimizing the processes in the nano and micro scale, we can maximize the performance of the joints on the macro scale. The aim of our work is to develop an essential and industrially relevant knowledge building block.
Conducting research on interfaces means not just working on a part level, but also on a sample level, which is then mechanically tested. The preparation of these samples is made here at the TPRC using standard composite consolidation processes, such as autoclave or press forming. And afterwards, these samples are tested at the University of Twente, where interfacial properties such as Mod 1 or Mod 2 fracture toughness are evaluated. Mechanical testing is always followed by an analysis of the failure mechanism, which is typically carried out using different microscopy techniques. Finally, our experiments are of input for a numerical model, which enables to predict the mechanical performance of the interface given certain surface conditions. In collaborating with Giorgos, we learn from each other, and that allows us to share more knowledge with the TPRC partners.